Hi, I'm Bevan from BME and Taupo.
Hi, I'm Kelvin from Schneider Electric.
We're here at Design Builder Show Home, and we're going to talk to you about the Resi9 products in our switchboard that we've been using. One advantage for us is it's less time consuming, smaller boards, which is a massive benefit for us.
So when you're using the RCBOs, Bev, how long do you reckon it shaves off the install time of the switchboard?
So install probably takes us maybe 2 to 3 hours now to fit a switchboard off completely, and then we're using that extra time to carry on fitting off the rest of the house.
I bet you're making more money too by doing that, are you?
Maybe, a little bit. So we've also added in the surge protection as well to stop any surges coming through for the electronics for that. And we've also got the AFDDs, which is your fault protection, which we've installed in the bedrooms, especially for electric blankets for the kids and that. If there's an arc, it will shut the power off straight away.
So is that preventing the risk of electrical fire?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, well,
Just
cool.
shuts it off a little bit quicker.
Nice,
Yep.
nice. When Bevan was talking about the RCBOs that he's installing in the switchboards, he's using this product here, which is called MaxBar. So we have two options in MaxBar. So we have one that'll take the single pole main switch that comes with a neutral link, which takes the main, connects the main neutral to the RCBOs, and then it will come with one of these termination. Bit hard to see, but it'll go into the back of there, and you'll be able to run your cable down to the next DIN rail. Could be connecting MCBs or another row of RCBOs. Bevan, a lot of Bevan's homes, you do a lot of two-phase in homes in Taupo?
So a lot of our houses are two-phase, obviously with the induction hobs, heating, underfloor heating and everything like that. We're starting to load things up. So we actually use the two-phase MaxBar, which is a different bar altogether.
Yeah, so that bar that Bevan's talking about, the MaxBar, that doesn't have the terminations here for the single pole main switch. It'll be just those double pins all the way across.